This goes out to y'all. This goes out to all y'all.
Yeah.
This goes out to you and too. You too, bitch.
Yeah.
This goes out to all y'all over there. All y'all down there.
Yeah.
Up there, no way.
Check it out,
Nigga.
Call a coroner, about to kill a one of ya. Cowards feel ammonia, sour deal, the stronger the nigga ill, the storm is a disaster. That's how a nigga feel, I'm forming and get at ya. Fuck it, I made it steal, you cats better guard your grill. And fuck how a nigga feel, you trippin', I will snatch ya. Tear up your chinchilla, I've been the realer. After all the drama unfold, you might wanna call a pastor. The dough is what I'm after. The nigga get more hoes, the nigga get more dough for sure. And I'm gon' blow and fuck shit up faster. Ask your bitch, she here with me, I wait in the buck 50, still smash her. I have to, won't even call the day after the clash of the Titans when a beat hit. Rappers is some deep shit. You might wanna change your flows and your rap shit. Quick to bust like a nut or trigger with the gas spit. You cat sweet as a Kit Kat, no need for chit chat. Just listen and sit back and watch me give orders. I'm cooler than ice in pool water. Fuck it, it's manslaughter. You niggas raps ain't even worth a quarter. And AZ tryna replace me, cops chase me like I crossed the border. Go to the booth and kick in the door. All you heard was please don't spit it no more. Go to the booth and kick in the door. All you heard was please don't spit it no more. Go to the booth and kick in the door. All you heard was please don't spit it no more. Go to the booth and kick in the door. All you heard was please don't spit it no more. Who's up next to get checked? Rhymes are soufflex. Your mouth pop off like two texts. Don't need two pets, I just need two vests. I don't hit all pussy cause some get too stretched. Get out the way, get out the way. I'm 2 steps from breaking the dude neck and pulling the pin up the grenade. So who's left? I do this shit to death. If you ain't hearing, then that just mean dude deaf. I'm in the mansion with bitches like Hugh Hef, the black version. Pimp walk with cool steps. Man, I walked in the store with a straight frown. Went to buy the sauce, but the cover had Chris Brown. Say what I want, you can act if you want. I'ma flip a double XL, have an actor on the front.